All right, we're gonna talk about funnels. There's all kinds of funnels. This funnel right here, which has a clamp, you just squeeze it, put it in the valve cover or the oil filled tube, and you release it, and it's supposed to stay in place. It's okay. I've used it. It's better than a loose funnel for sure. They're not very expensive. They're on Amazon all over the place. But the one that I got that I'm really liking right now is this one from Harbor Freight. I know a whole bunch of people make it OEM tools. Everybody makes a version of it. You get these caps, and they're all they cover a wide range of brands, right? You got your BMW, you got Toyota, you got Dodge, Ford, Chevy, the different styles of Ford and Chevys, because there's a whole bunch of different styles. But this is really what makes this kit so nice. One, when you get through using it, you have a cap, doesn't get dirty, contaminated. Like the other funnels, every time you use them, you got to clean them, brake clean, wipe them down, blow them out. It's about efficiency, right, guys? You do have this right here. It pushes into the adapter straight, or you have this 45, which for the most part, it gets everything. I've been doing it big trucks, medium class trucks, and automotive type trucks. And this is really great. I really love it. Stays in place, doesn't move around, screws into the cap, and really speeds up the refilling process. Now, I've worked in a shop where we had the reels, and reels are great for certain things, but especially for automotive, they're not that great. People complain, you scratched my car, you dented my car, the hose did this. I mean, you just gotta be, if you don't have a fender cover on there, or even then, they still get all upset. But this right here is great. And then half the time, the guns, the auto dispense only works for the first 3 months, and then it gets destroyed. And then, you don't know what's going in there. You can overfill accidentally. So I still prefer this method, especially being mobile. This is the way to go. I actually use my Milwaukee tote bag, and I put everything in there, the different funnels and not, and it really works real good. Highly recommended. This particular kit is from Harbor Freight. And I'm telling you, especially this right here, when you remove it from the adapter, you instantly cap this, and you don't have to worry about putting a couple oil stains on the customer's car, and then you have to wipe it, or spray it with a little brake clean. And some people, they're so delicate about their cars. Anything you do, they will notice, and they will jump down your throat. So anyway, Harbor Freight funnel kit, not this one, but this one. Recommended. Thanks for watching.